Hi guys, I hope you have gone through our previous video which was about PE packaging, the plastic cover packaging. We talked a lot about how and what matters when you go for this packaging, how do you select this packaging, right? Today, here I am to talk about PP packaging. There's a lot in this as well that we need to understand. Before I say this, don't forget to share this content with your friends who want to understand this topic. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. PWIP is coming to solve all your problems related to rice trade, exports, packaging, anything that is connected to this trade, right? Let me now start with PP bags. Now, PP bags, polypropylene, right? Normally, in this kind of a scenario where you find yourself needing PP bags as your solution for packing your product, right? Let me take example of rice as a product here. Normally, PP is used for 25 kg and upwards, but PP bags can also be used for 5 kg, 10 kg also, depending on what the customers ask. So since I took rice as a product, normally Middle East market will ask you 18 kg PP bags. Singapore market will always ask you 25 kg PP bags. Vietnam will ask you mostly 50 kg PP bags. So this is depending on the customer, it will keep varying. Now, what you need to understand is what kinds of PP bags that you need to know about. Is it going to be transparent PP bags? Is it going to be plain white PP bags? What should be the minimum weight of the bag so that the bag is strong enough at the time of handling, right? I see a lot of bags breaking, the strength is not good because normally the laborers who actually load the containers or the truck, they tend to just throw it when they reach there, right? And that happens at multiple points. Once it happens at the mill, then it happens at the port, then it happens in the destination market. Then the destination market, they go out for further supply to hotels, restaurants, caterers, etc. Everywhere they throw the bags, right? So the bag has to have a minimum weight. That is what we will try and understand. For me to give you an example, 25 kg bags, normally the bag should at least be 80 grams, right? So this is one important factor. You need to understand what could be the size of the bag, right? Normally a PP bag is about 19 by 27 centimeters. A bag is, right? It will be stitched on the top. A minimum order quantity, what is it? What could be the ideal pricing? Normally a PP bag will cost you around 11 to 12 rupees per bag, depending on what the size is, etc. What is gazette in PP bag? So a lot of things like this, my friends, we are going to cover in this topic. What I would suggest you is, if you are seriously looking at starting your business on food products where packaging is a very crucial part, we have come up with a very amazing elaborate course that can help you understand in detail. This not only covers PP, it covers PE, BOPP, jute bags, non-woven bags. So all you get in one package. All that you need to do is get in touch with us, send us a direct message or send us a comment, leave a comment here with your number or your details, and we'll talk to you about this. Thank you so much, friends. Stay tuned for more content like this, and I'll see you soon. Hi friends, I hope you liked this video on PP bags. We are again coming up with more videos like this. Jute bags is the next video that is coming up. I hope you will continue to like our videos. Please do share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you again soon.